Alright everybody, quick video here today. I'm going to show you how to get rid of your little chime whenever you don't have your seatbelt on. Now, sometimes you just want to move the car across the street or something, or you're moving around the parking lot, wherever you happen to be, or if you have a passenger that doesn't like to wear their seatbelt, or if you're just going on a quick ride somewhere down the street or whatever, and you don't put it on. You don't want to hear the ding, 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 ding. Whatever the case, I'm going to show you how to delete that chime. And this will work for most Dodge Chrysler vehicles. Okay, so first, you put your ignition in accessory. Get your seatbelt. Go ahead and hook it up. Put your ignition in run mode. Then you're gonna unbuckle, buckle, unbuckle, buckle, unbuckle, buckle. One more for good measure. End with it buckled. Turn your ignition back to accessory. You should hear a single chime after you put your ignition back on accessory, and that should be it to disable your repeating chimes. Now it'll still go off once for the initial warning, hey, your seatbelt's not on, but it won't keep bing 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 every like 2 to 3 seconds. So go ahead and fire it up and you should be good to go. Now go ahead and drive it around a little bit just to make sure that your chime is off. Now it's letting me know on the dash that I'm not buckled in, but it's not chiming. So it's still letting me know on the dash after every stop that I'm not buckled in, but it is not chiming. So we're good there. And this little trick, I guess you'd call it, should work on any Dodge Chrysler vehicle from 09 and up. So there you go, quick little video on how to delete your seatbelt chime delete. I did it on my old Challenger and now this one. Like I said, it should work on just about any Dodge vehicle, Ram, Chrysler from 09 and up, maybe even before that. But that was it. Hope you enjoyed. Drink Big Red. Thanks for watching.